Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing of some Madam Glam Gel Polishes. So let's get into it. This is the package here and it's really secure. I'm having a hard time opening it, but still, I have to film it for you all. If you're new here, my name is Shameen and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So let's get into it. I'm taking my scissors to get this open here. I live in Trinidad and Tobago, as some of you all may know, so the package does take a while to get to me. But once I receive the package, I try my best to get to the video and record a nail set for you all. So this is a signature Madam Glam packaging. I always love to see it. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. I was happy to receive a new package, even though I know exactly what's going to be inside of it. So I'm just opening it here and it says, "Hello Glamorous." Come on, that's me, Glamorous. Anyway, let's get this package open. So after we take off that tab, we're just going to get this box opened up. And I had to stop and take a few pictures in between. These are the colors that I chose, but of course I have to take a few pictures here and there because I'm also recording this on my phone for some short form content for TikTok and the other social media. So once I do that, we're going to get these polishes out of the box and we're going to swatch them. I picked these 4 particular colors for a reason, because I wanted a color scheme for this set. So I picked Perfect White, which is like a basic polish. Everybody should have white polish. And I'm just going to open it up here, and the consistency is amazing. Just from the first time opening it, I could already tell it's going to be great. The same thing goes for the black, Perfect Black, another basic color that Madam Glam has. So I'm really happy to have that. This is Grassy Sassy. It's a lovely green color. It's really bright and bold. And just like the white and the black, it is very thick. And yeah. Finally, we have this color called Barbie Girl. And it's a pink polish. And I mean, who doesn't like pink? So now that all the polishes are opened up, let's get to swatching. And for the swatches today, I am only doing 1 coat because these polishes are so thick that 1 coat gives you full coverage. So first I'm starting off with Perfect White, and that is just 1 coat. Then we're going to go in with Perfect Black, and we're going to put this secure in the UV lamp for about 30 seconds. Next we're doing Grassy Sassy, and just like the white and black, 1 coat gave full coverage, and I'm really impressed with this. And when you have a polish like this, it lasts longer because you use less coats to get full coverage. And finally we have Barbie Girl. This pink is really bold and bright. I think this is my favorite color out of all of them. So these are all 4 colors side by side. I tried to get it close up into the camera so you could see it. And now let's get into our set. Today we are going to be doing press-on nails. The shape and length is 2XL square, and this is Madam Glam's base coat that I am applying first over the nails. And when you have a good base coat, it allows the gel polish color to go on very smooth, and you would have a much easier time applying your gel polish. We're putting that to cure in the UV lamp for 30 seconds, and once that's done, we're going in first with Perfect White, and we're putting that on just 2 of the nails, the middle finger and the ring finger, because these are the nails that we're going to do our design on. So for the purpose of this video, I did use 2 coats, and because these colors are so bright, they were messing with the exposure of my camera, as you can see here. And now we're going in with Barbie Girl on the thumb and the pinky fingers. Again, the brightness of these colors has my camera exposure going crazy. It's all confused. But the camera is pretty old, so, things like that happen. But I am really impressed with the coverage of these gel polishes from Madam Glam. Imagine only 2 coats and I have full coverage on these nails. But the thing is, you don't have to take my word for it. You could try out these polishes for yourself. If you're watching this video, you can get 30% off your entire order using my code Shameen30_1. Now there is a link in the description that will take you directly to Madam Glam's website. the coupon code will activate automatically, and at checkout make sure to select the pay as you go option if you do not want to become a VIP member. Once again, the code is shimmin30_1. So now that we've finished with these base colors, let's get into our design, and the design, as I said, is going to be on the white nails. I am going to be doing some foil transfer nails today, so this is the foil transfer gel I will be using, and let's get this opened up and we're going to be applying our foil gel to these two nails. The important thing to remember when you're applying this foil gel is that you want to work with a nice thin even layer across the entire nail, making sure you get full coverage, and then after that I will put it in the UV lamp to cure for 1 minute. While it's curing, let me show you the foil I'm about to use. This lovely floral foil with pink and green, which will go great with the color scheme of our set today. Once the foil glue is cured on the nail and dried and cooled, then we can apply our foil transfer like what I'm doing here, and you would find that you get a very easy application. This happened very quickly and the transfer was really smooth, as you can see. So let's do it now for the other nail and let's see if we have the same success. So we just gently pressing it down, just rub it as much as we can. And the thing is, I didn't even have to apply much pressure this time because the foil glue gel, it cured perfectly in the lamp and it cooled down for just the right amount of time. So just sometimes when you're finished, leave the leave the nail out, for a little bit, let it cool down before applying your foil transfer. I think it makes the glue a little more sticky, so it adheres better. And now we're going to do a simple plaid design on top of the florals, and I'm using the Perfect Black from Madam Glam to do it, and this nail art brush. So we're basically going to be doing some lines going all the way down and then some lines going all the way across like a grid. I saw a similar design to this on the internet some time back. I did not even screenshot the picture so that I could use it as inspo, but I remembered exactly how the set looked and it was something similar to this. So I don't know if anybody ever saw this design before. Comment down below if you ever saw this design or something similar to it. So I just decided I really wanted to try it, and I mean, what better way to try it than with these Madam Glam Gel Polishes. The colors are really bold and nice. So another thing too with this Perfect Black, in drawing the lines, I found that the polish, it was really easy to apply. Sometimes we use thicker polishes like these pot gel polishes to help with nail art, and so that you have more control over like the brush and over whatever you're drawing. But I'm getting the same effect with this Madam Glam black gel polish. I mean, some of my lines went straight and my hand was a little bit wobbly, so this is what you see me doing here. I'm just trying to clean up the line with some acetone here and a small brush. And now I'm going in with the horizontal lines so we could get that grid. And this is basically the design coming together here. I'm liking how it's looking so far. But at this point in time, I will just let you enjoy me finishing up doing the nail art on this, and then I will check back in. If you like nail videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see more of my nail videos, and feel free to drop suggestions in the comments as to what nail sets you would like to see me try or attempt. This is what this channel is all about, trying anything or everything nails, and of course trying to improve our skills as we grow here on this channel. So now I'm doing the second nail, and well, the video is slightly sped up because it's just basically the same design I'm going to be doing. We're going down with some lines and then we're going across to make the grid. Once I'm finished with these nails, I am going to put it to cure in the UV lamp for just about 30 seconds, and then we're going to continue with the set. So these are how the nails look after finishing up the design, and I just thought that the nails needed a little something extra, so I am going to be adding some cuticle gems to the rest of the nails. So this is the green nail, Grassy Sassy. And to apply these, I will be using top coat. So this is Madam Glam's in the white top coat. I am applying the top coat to the entire nail, full coverage, and while it is still wet, I am going to apply the rhinestones to the cuticle area, and then we're going to put it in place to cure. Now, if you have bigger gems, then I suggest you use jewelry gel. But because these are really small, tiny gems, I am using just the top coat. It will hold them in place. So we're just using the tweezers to add the mini rhinestones to the cuticle area of the nail, and once we're satisfied with the layout, we're going to put it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Remember, you need to apply rhinestones while the top coat is still wet, okay? And this is how the set looks after applying top coat to all of the nails, including the floral nails. And I'm really happy with how this set came out. And now it's time to see how they look outside. And these are how they look out in the sunlight. I was really satisfied with this. These nails are fire, especially those accent nails, the floral with the black and white. I mean, I really like it. And then these pink and green to complement it is really awesome. I went ahead of camera and I did my other hand, but I mean, this one just doesn't have any rhinestones. If you want to purchase these polishes, don't forget to use the link in the description, and the code is Shamin30_1. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.